Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be buying a new bird, and as you guys know, I bought a cat and I sold it. So today I'm going to be buying a bird that just sit on your head and sit on your hand. So let's get in this video and enjoy. In this shop you get plants and the accessories of birds. So guys, now I am here in a destination, but this is not the destination where we have to come and buy it. And the destination is over there, but we came here to check out because it's also here, but they don't have the train one because I have to buy the train one. And so let's go and enjoy. So guys, we are here at our destination, so we will check which one we buy.
Salam alaikum ya Habib Allah Muhammad. Salam alaikum ya Habib Allah Muhammad.
So guys, we took two small and we took one male and one female. We took 4 of them. So let's go in home and we will. This guy's over here. He's not moving though. And one is here. Second one is over here, you guys can see. And the third one is here, is trying to being scared.